Hello and welcome to this month's manufacturing newsletter. I'm Peter Watson, Manufacturing Account Manager here at Baker Baynes. If you've been eager to enter the Autodesk Fusion Design Competition but haven't had the chance to start working on your portable power station, we've extended the submission deadline until the 16th of September. This extension gives you more time to perfect your design. Don't delay though. This is a great opportunity to showcase your talent and stand a chance to win a laptop worth $30,000. More details can be found in the newsletter below. Did you miss the recent webinar on the future of sustainable manufacturing in South Africa? No worries. You can catch up by watching the replay or read the key takeaways in the newsletter below. We are also thrilled to announce our latest ebook, The Future of Sustainable Machining with Autodesk Fusion. This comprehensive guide covers everything from waste reduction and energy efficiency to green tooling and sustainable materials. Inside you'll find detailed sections on the benefits of sustainable practices, innovative cooling strategies, and how Autodesk Fusion can help you achieve your sustainability goals. This ebook is packed with actionable insights to help you reduce your environmental impact, operational costs, while improving your brand's credibility. Don't miss out. Download your copy today from the link below and start transforming your machining processes for a sustainable future. Lastly, don't forget to check out our scheduled training dates and other valuable resources at tools.bakerbaynes.com. We offer a range of sessions designed to enhance your skills and keep you ahead in the industry. Thank you for being a part of the Baker Baynes community.